Something on here. Woo! Ladyfish. Got him. Oh boy. There it is. Yes, Lord. Ladyfish on deck. So we are just chilling right here at the mouth of this channel. These canals. About to cast in. See if we can pull out. What's happening, everybody? If y'all just tuning in, this is Extreme Florida Sportsman. My name's Chris. Everybody calls me Smoke. How y'all doing? Yeah, we out here today, man. Out in the good old state of Florida, around about Newport Richey area at one of the state parks. Yeah, we're just out floating. Let me show y'all. Yeah, we out here. So about to cast in right here. See if we can pull up out of here. This is kind of close to the spot I caught that catfish. See if we can pull something nice up out of here. Put one of these shrimp on. Yeah, it's nice and cooking, and it's only getting hotter down here in Florida. So ended up having to get some UV gear so I don't burn up. I was starting to turn many shades blacker in all the areas of the sun that was hitting me. Yeah, and if y'all want to know, black people do get sunburned. Yeah, I found that out the hard way. I was like, man, what the hell is going on with me? I'm trying to figure this out. Well, I got all super ashy and itchy and stuff. And come to find out, I'm sunburned. I'm like, this is crazy. Extra black and crispy. It is what it is. So yeah, I ended up getting some UV gear. You know what I'm saying? These Wranglers. Feel like there's a speck trout down there. So I slowed down a little bit. He act like he's hitting it. Told y'all about these speck trout. They so finicky. There it is. There it is. Ooh. He's down there. Oh, I feel it. He's just slowly eating this thing. In fact, I should just stick this back out here and see what pops. Wind's blowing pretty good. It's like anywhere between 15, 17 knots. Yeah, I'm still out here though. I got my anchor out right now. Clean me up. Yup, got me. Here's what it is. Be like that sometimes. They clean this thing all the way up. Not even a piece. Just cast it out. Had a boat go by. quite a few people out in the water today. It's really beautiful. It's just super hot. Well, don't feel like there's nothing in this area. And go ahead and slide on down a little piece. Alright. Get this anchor up and get up out of here. Alright, so we're going ahead and made it to the other canal. Let y'all see this real quick. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so we're gonna fish this right here. See if we pull up out. This is where we caught that speck trout. Hopefully we can pop another one in this area. So that's the plan. Go ahead and send this shrimp on out here. See if we can pick up. Looks like there's a boat headed our way. Yeah. Cast right here in front of us. Let this sink down. See if anything picks it up. I don't know what this is. I don't know if I caught something. Oh, I think I'm on something. God damn it. Alright. Pull this anchor up real quick. I think it's a rock. I don't know. That's interesting. Quite freaking interesting. So, here's what it is. Just gotta hold tight. How y'all doing? Over here fighting this thing, trying not to lose my pole, trying to figure out what just happened, see if I can get on the other side, maybe it's caught in this hole. Weird. I got it out. No idea what that was though. Absolutely weird. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and get back on spot. Yeah, so behind me, that little peninsula y'all see, that's part of the state park I'm at. Ooh, it feels like there's a speck down here. He cleaned it up, I feel it. Wow, that's crazy. Oh no, he just hit it good. But yeah, that's a state park. It's one of my favorites actually. I love to come out here and fish. Over at Eagle Point, if any of y'all was wondering. Yeah, great state of Florida, extra beautiful. I don't think there's a more beautiful state in the United States. It has everything except mountains. That's all I can tell you. Well, it looks kind of dry out here today. I haven't had a real good hit on nothing yet. That's quite interesting. Water's not that clear today either. It's really murky. Send this out here again. We get something on this line. Those skunks on the kayak. Can't happen. Interesting. Nothing. Uh-oh. That was a good hit. Oh yeah, that was a good hit. Now you tried to slap it. So it looks like we got fish a little bit up current, and that's kind of hard to get on and land because you got the current flowing back with you, so you got to kind of be fast on it. How y'all doing? Got to kind of be fast with setting the hook. Not gonna lie, it feels like a bunch of pinfish. Oh man, let me hit that good. Tore this thing all the way up. Yup. Yeah. Oh no, this is really pinfishy. I ain't liking it. Might get up out of here and slide to a different area. Well, it don't look like this area is getting much action, so we're gonna keep heading down. Not getting skunked today. I don't care what y'all say, I'm gonna bring in a fish. Whether it's a pinfish or anything else, we ain't getting skunked. Now on the kayak, ain't gonna happen. Let's keep moving. So I went to move and cruising, and it looks like I found a dead fish right here. Gonna get close and see what it is. looks like a red. Just floating on by. Let's go investigate. Sure enough it is. Old dead redfish. I ain't gonna mess with them. So we done moved to another spot. Because we wasn't getting nothing in that last spot. Beautiful over here. Pop some. I just seen a sea turtle. I have never seen a sea turtle, like, in the sea before. Or ocean, I mean. That was off the chain. Man, I wish I could have caught it. He literally just popped up real quick for air and then shot back down. That was awesome. I'm over here looking for him. What? That was my first sea turtle out here, y'all. I've never seen one before. That was awesome. Huh. That's dope. I didn't know we had sea turtles this far north. I thought that was more like a South Florida thing than a Central Florida thing. Huh. That was really cool. Got ducks over here fighting. Wow. Only in Florida you see ducks fighting on the salt water. Man, that was awesome, man. Wish I was fast on. Uh-oh. Oh, that was a good hit. Wish I was fast on the draw, so I could have got that on camera. Both just passed by. Oh, man. I don't know if I got cleaned up or not. It was a pretty decent hit. Oh, no I didn't. Wow, something smacked that thing good. I think it's pinfish over there. That's what it feels like. Yeah, the gang of pinfish, they done cleaned it up. Yeah. God damn it. Excuse my language, y'all. Pinfish can be annoying, especially if you ain't looking for bait. Oh, it's out here. I'm only gonna cast right here in front of the boat. Kayak, I mean. There he is. There he is. Oh, yeah. What we got? We got a cat. Oh. Got a cat, y'all. It's a hard head. And he's grunting. He don't like that. Alright. Let's go ahead and set him in the water for a second. He's hooked pretty good. I'll put him on this side. No, you just be quiet. Gonna be alright. God damn. He's trying to go somewhere. Ain't gonna happen. He's hooked really, really good. So, get my grabbers on here. I need pliers. All right. Yeah, he's still back there fighting. Awesome. All right, little homie. We didn't get skunked. That's the best part about the situation. All right, all right, all right. Let's see what you got. Open them lips up. Lips might be too small for this whole situation. Nope. Alright. Now that we got him, landed that guy. Y'all know how I feel about catfish, man. I don't really touch these mucus filled things. But at least we know that's what's in this area. Old catfish. Yeah, you really got that thing in you, dude. Don't be blaming me. You the one that jumped on the line. Put some hands on him. Old slimy catfish. One time for the extreme. Y'all already know. Yeah, we don't do nothing with these things here. We send them back. Had a little fight on him. I am whatchamacallit? Oh, that mercy done lost my words. Yeah, I ain't ashamed of that. He had a little fight on him. Nice. Just don't eat catfish like, or eat those catfish, hard heads. Alright, let's go ahead and stick another bait on here. Send that little piece that we had on the hook out with Sean. Big boy. We ain't gonna use the whole thing, we're gonna break him in half. We'll use the head last. if they clean this up or not. Yep, got me. Go ahead and put this head on here. Jump back behind me. Ooh, something's hitting good over there. See what we can get from behind us. Oh man, there was a mullet back there jumping good. Nothing. Well, the wind done turned us off spot. Nope, don't look like anything. And they cleaned this up. I'm gonna try another shrimp over here and I'm gonna keep on moving. Alright, last cast. This area. I'm gonna hit it somewhere else. I swear on everything, I just seen a freaking river mullet jump 3 feet out the water. Talking about this damn thing has some air. Excuse the language. Damn, something hit me hard. Oh my God. There it is. Oh my God. Got a ladyfish. Oh yeah. I'm talking about barely got him though. Damn it! Lost the ladyfish. As soon as I put hands on him. These ladyfish be giving me hell. That's the third one that happened to me like that. At first, he about jumped out the water into the boat. At least I seen him on the hook though. Man, that's crazy. That makes me want to try that one more time. F it, we're gonna try it one more time. Gotta try it. Hold on. Yeah, we finna stick another one on here. We gotta try to catch see if we can pop another one of these ladyfish that's right here. That's crazy, man. I'm talking about I went to reach. I made contact with the body. He felt my hand and just went crazy. Jumped right off the hook. He was barely hooked anyway. That is so funny. Try this again. So they call them thing poor man's tarpon. Now I see why. That's a jumping fish. They hit really hard too. There he is. Under the boat. Oh, got another cat. Damn it. Might be the same one. He got this thing deep down his throat. Look like he swallowed this thing pretty good. Hey, hold on, man. Oh, snap. No, he didn't, and he's loose in the boat. Ah, he shit everywhere. Excuse my language. Alright, hold on, dude. Lord have mercy. How you gonna get on the boat and then just doo-doo everywhere? What kind of stuff is that? You got no manners whatsoever. Hey, hold on, man. You need to chill out. Open your mouth up. You would be the one fish to jump on my boat that I don't like touching. There he goes. He's covered in feces. Cleaned them off a little bit. I don't like touching it. These things so slimy, man. Why y'all just so covered in mucus? Yeah. Hard-haired cat. I think the sailfin cats they eat, and not these. You done bled all over the boat. Lord have mercy. Anyway. Alright. Caught 2 catfish. No ladyfish. Damn it. It is what it is. Alright. Let's hit a new spot. Try something else. Well, we made it. We're over here at the end. So we're gonna see, this is a nice area to fish in. I never fished this spot yet. And if we can't really pick up nothing, then we're gonna try somewhere else. Truthfully, I lied. It's actually, if we can't catch nothing here, we're just gonna go ahead and drift on back. So it's running a little late, and I got stuff to do after this, unfortunately. So yeah, so let's go ahead and see if we can get anything on here. So I just went to reel in the big pole, and sure enough, we got ourselves another catfish. Yeah, he done smacked that that little blue runner shiner that we had on there. I think that's what they called. Dude said they were blue runners. But yeah, he smacked that thing good too. Alright. Let's go ahead and break out the gear. wonder how long I've been dragging him this whole time. Poor catfish. For all we know, he could have got drugged out of the last spot. Yeah, I don't eat these things. These hard-headed cats. Alright, let's go ahead and grab him. Okay, he caught himself having a little power, tried to run up under the boat. Man, that's over with, dude. You was caught, man. Give me them lips. Over here trying to make all these crazy sounds and stuff. Yeah, buddy, you was greedy. Hold on now. I'm trying to get this thing up out of his mouth without ripping off one of his whiskers. Oh, he's peeing everywhere. See, that's why I don't like catfish. That thing go, dude. Yeah, man, he done peed all over the boat. Alright. That's him. Old Super Slimy. Super Slimy Jr. Yeah, they got this mucus on here, man. I can't do it. Bounce back, homie. There you go. Alright, well, 3 catfish. This one done peed all over everything. Lord have mercy, look at this. That is disgusting, dude. Alright, now I got this thing mounted back right. See if we can get another one. Alright, so here on spot, put a new leader on. About to send one of these runners out. Excuse me. Hopefully that lead ain't too long. Gotta find out. Wow, they're already hitting this thing. Alright. We are running out of memory on the camera. So we might have to cut this one short. He's cast it out. Let's go ahead and load up the little pole. Let's see if we can get anything on there. Wow, as soon as it hit the water, that thing got ate. That's crazy. Well, y'all, unfortunately, I done ran out of time. But it is what it is. What can I say? I had fun today. We done put 3 catfish on the boat. You know, it was catch and release. Yeah, the hard heads, it is what it is. Hooked that ladyfish, got it on camera. Had fun today, man. So I can't complain. But unfortunately, I'm out of time. I'm starting headed back now. If I get anything on this pole, I'll go ahead and turn the camera back on. But until then, I'm out to call it. This is it. This is Extreme Florida Sportsman. Man, thank y'all for coming out and watching me, man. Please share, subscribe, hit that like button. It really does help, man. I'm really trying to get out there this year and, you know, really make it happen for y'all. So please, you know what I'm saying, if y'all can, you know, hit that like button. It helps. I know I sound redundant, I keep repeating myself, but I can't stress that anymore. Anyway, y'all, go ahead and take it easy. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. The Extreme Florida Sportsman. Y'all already know. Oh, we got something on here. Woo! Ladyfish. Got the ladyfish. Elusive ladyfish. Guess who's about to be cut bait? Got him. Oh boy. I've been trying to land one of these all day. Got him. He ain't going nowhere. That's it, man. This is the post-credits catch. Extreme Florida Sportsman. We done got a ladyfish on the boat. He is gonna be, or she, bait. Yes, sir. Ladyfish on deck. See if I can turn this so we can get a. You ain't going nowhere, dude. That's over with. You caught. Sticking you in here. Gotta get the sun so I can get a better angle. Here it is. Yes, Lord. Ladyfish on deck. Yeah, that's over with for him. Y'all can say bye-bye to this one. Yeah, he about to be bait. Dude. That's over with. Yeah, you can do all that you want. We're gonna bleed them. Let them bleed out. It's alright, dude. It's alright. Chill out. That's done with. Yeah, that's a post-credits catch, man. Extreme Florida Sportsman. Y'all already know we out.